has a big surprise for me. I can't hardly wait to see what it is. Mommy's gonna give us clues to find out what it is.
Okay, here's your first clue.
What? Okay. Chair.
What are those?
You use them when you're playing in the pool.
You use them when you're playing in the pool. Let me see this one right there. Here's clue
I got
number
one.
2. What are those?
Water guns.
Where do you use water guns at?
In the pool.
In a pool? All right, let's see. Do you need another clue?
Yeah.
Clue number 3.
It's a beach ball.
Beach ball. What do you use that at?
The beach. The beach.
So, do you need another clue?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see the next clue. Okay. Next clue. What are
Noodles.
those?
You
Noodles.
use them in the pool.
You use them in the pool. What do you think Mommy's trying to tell you?
We're getting something that's you use in the pool.
Yes. I think we need to get our swimsuits on. Why do you think we need our swimsuits on?
We're going to the pool?
We're going
No.
swimming.
Where at? Where are we going swimming at?
The neighborhood pool.
No, we're not going to a neighborhood pool.
Aunties.
No, we're not going to.
Wait, I know.
The pool at the
I know.
house.
It's Splashdown.
No, we're not going to the water park.
The pool at the house.
What pool at the house?
Or the one that's in the house.
Do we have a pool at our house now?
Yeah.
Oh, get your swimsuits on. You guessed it. Guess what?
Give me soup.
Here they come.
Hello, lovelies. And men.